Good morning to all. Today our chapter is coordinate geometry. Using distance formula, I am going to explain the MCQ question. Just to see. Question number 1. On plotting the points A, that is 0, 2 and B with 0, 3, 3, 0 on the graph paper, what is the length you have to find out? First to plot the point. First to draw the line. A is a point having coordinate 0, 2 and B given 3, 0. A is a point whose x coordinate 0 means it is a point on the y axis. And B is a point coordinate 3, 0 means it is a point on the x axis. Using distance formula, what is the formula? x2 minus x1 का whole square, y2 minus y1 का whole square का root over. So here x2 means 3 minus 0 का whole square plus 0 minus 2 y2 minus 1 का whole square. 3 का whole square 9 minus 2 का whole square 4, 9 plus 4 13 का root over. This is the answer, 13 root over unit. Okay, let us go next question. Question number 2. If A 0, 2, B given minus 2, 0, C given 0, minus 2 and D given x, y, D missing are the vertices of a parallelogram. You have to find out the coordinate of D. First to draw one parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. As ABCD is a parallelogram, the diagonal bisect each other. The diagonal means midpoint of AC should be equal to midpoint of BD. Okay. This is the point of intersection. Means you have to write midpoint of AC should be equal to midpoint of BD. As ABCD is a parallelogram, midpoint should be equal. So using midpoint formula, midpoint of AC means x coordinate addition means 0 plus 0 by 2, 0 plus 0 by 2, x coordinate addition by 2, again y coordinate 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 addition by 2. Again midpoint of BD, x minus 2, x minus 2 by 2 and y plus 0 by 2. So how much coming? This is coming 0, this is coming also 0, this one is x minus 2 by 2 and y by 2. Now comparing both sides, x minus 2 by 2 equal to 0 and y by 2 equal to 0. So here I will get x is equal to 2 and here I will get y is equal to 0. The coordinate of D is 2, 0. Just take the answer. Question number 3. On plotting the points A, that is 3, 0, B 0, 3, C given minus 3, 0 and D 0, minus 3 on a graph paper and then joining AB, BC, CD, DA, the names of figure so form is a part. You have to find out. So first of all, A, B, C, D means 4 points are given. Question number 3. I write A given how much? A given 3, 0, B given 0, 3, C given minus 3, 0 and D given 0, minus 3. First to find AB, distance formula. Using distance formula, AB will be how much? AB. Just to see AB equal to how much? x2 minus x1 means 3 minus 0 का whole square plus 0 minus 3 का whole square का root over. This will be 3 का whole square 9, 9 plus 9 18. 18 का root over means 9 to 18, 3 root 2 AB का length. Next to find BC. So BC will be same process, minus 3 minus 0 का whole square plus 0 minus 3 का whole square root over. That means this is minus 3 का 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 का root over means 3 root 2 because 9 to 18, 9 का root over 3. Again you find AB, BC, CD you find. CD is equal to same process 0 minus 3, 0 plus 3, x2 minus x1 plus minus 3 minus 0 का whole square root over. That means this is coming 9 plus 9, 18, 18 का root over means 3 root 2. Now you see all the four sides coming equal, A, B, B, C, C, D, DA you find, sorry. Then DA will be how much? DA, 0 minus 3 का whole square plus minus 3 minus 0 का whole square का root over. Same thing coming, 9 plus 9, 18 का root over, that is 3 root 2. All the four sides coming equal. That is to draw the figure now. This is the figure A, B, C, D. If all the four sides are equal, either it may be rhombus or it may be square. So for square, the diagonals should be equal. For rhombus, diagonals should not be equal. So for this, you have to find out AC. AC means diagonal. A given how much? 3, 0. I am writing here 3, 0, and C given minus 3, 0. Minus 3, 0. So AC will be same process, 3 plus 3 का whole square, then 0 minus 0 whole square root over. How much coming? 3 plus 3 6. 6 whole square is 36. Root over will be 6. And BD will be how much? B given 0, 3 and D given 0, minus 3. Therefore BD will be 0 minus 0 का whole square, x2 minus x1, then 3 plus 3 का whole square का root over. Means it is 0, this is 3 plus 3 6, 36 का root over. 6 coming. Means the diagonals are equal. Whenever the diagonals will be equal and four sides equal, that means it is a square. Therefore ABCD is a square. This is the answer. Okay. If four sides equal and diagonal are equal, that means as per the question given, coordinate given, A given, B given, C given, D given, you have to find out four sides A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A, and diagonal also is to find out to conclude that it is square or rhombus. Therefore final answer is it is a square. D is the right answer. Let us go next question. Question number 5. The distance between the point A, that is minus 5, 7, and B given minus 1, 3 is. You have to find out. So first of all write A and B. A given minus 5, 7, B given minus 1, 3. Therefore AB will be how much? Use a distance formula. What is the distance formula? x2 minus x1 का whole square, y2 minus yn का whole square का root over. So here x2 means minus 1. Minus 1, this will be minus 1 is plus 5 का whole square plus y2 means 3 minus y1, that is 7. 3 minus 7 का whole square का root over. How much coming? 5 minus 1, 4. 4 का whole square. This is 3 minus 7 minus 4 का whole square का root over. 4 का whole square equal to how much? 16 plus 16. That is coming 32 का root over. 32 means, you know 16 2 is 32. 16 का root over 4, 4 root 2 unit. So what is the answer? 4 root 2. Just to check. 4 root 2 is the option B. Option is the right. Next question, last question of this exercise, MCQ. What is the value of x? What is the distance between the 2 points P and Q? P given 2, minus 3, Q given 10, x. Each 10 units. But distance is given, x, BC. Let's see question number 6. First to plot the point. A given how much? Suppose they are given P, right? P given 2, minus 3, and Q given 10, x. And distance between the 2 points given 10 unit. Now using distance formula, PQ equal to how much? Distance given, and using distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 y1 का whole square का root over. PQ given how much? PQ given 10. 10 given, x2 is what? 10. 10 minus 2 का whole square plus y2, that is x. This will be plus 3. X plus 3 का whole square का root over. This is 10 given, PQ. Now squaring both sides, this will be 10 का whole square 100. This rootable value 10 minus 2 is how much? 8. 8 ka whole square. This is x plus 3 ka whole square. Now 100 8 का whole square is how much? 64 minus 64 equal to x plus 3 का whole square. 100 minus 64 is how much? 36 equal to x plus 3 का whole square. Therefore x plus 3 will be 36 का root over, which is equal to plus minus 6. Plus minus 6. Therefore x will be taking minus that side. Plus minus 6 minus 3. That means if you take plus 6, the answer will be 6 minus 3. Answer will be 3, or x is equal to, if I take minus 6 minus 3, this is minus 9. You are getting two options, 3 or minus 9. Just to check what is the value of x, answer will be 3 or minus 9. So here given minus 9 given, therefore option D is the right option. Just check the answer. Thank you for today's class. देखो आंसर देखो
सर ऑप्शन डी था
वो चलता है